Good morning. It's a frosty day here at Greenwood Bonsai. I know a few of you have been coming up and saying when are we doing some more videos, and we've not done any for a few weeks now. Last one we did, I was going to start working on a cedar, and I've got a photograph of that just here to show you. This is a cedar that I was working on over Christmas, and I've thinned out all the bottom branches. Just got this top section here to do, but it's quite thick and dense. I've done it below my hand here. I've thinned these out. You can see they're finer, got less growth in them. Open them up to let more light in. The next thing is to get that wired. Yeah, but the reason we've not done many videos is this is a teaching studio here behind me at Greenwood, and it's undergoing a bit of a refurbishment. Let me show you inside and you can have a look. So this is our teaching studio for a number of years. There's always been a stock room at the far end of it, and we've took the wall out, so we're currently having new lights, new ceiling, and equipment installed. So this is my workroom at the moment and what it looks like. So you can see normally we do a lot of filming down here, and the wall that we do the filming against isn't there anymore. So we're trying to reinstate it. Found a load of old bonsai pots here. Some of these are 30-40 year old handmade pots that we found in the stock room. If we look round, you can see it looks considerably more untidy than it usually does, but apparently it gets worse before it gets better. So we're about, believe it or not, we're about halfway through this refurbishment at the moment. So hopefully in a week or so I'll be able to show you what we've done in here, and we'll be able to resume filming videos for you all. Take care. We're a few days later into our studio refurbishment now here at Greenwood Bonsai Studio. I'm still working amongst a bit of mess, ready to prepare for our introductory bonsai courses that are coming up in a few days. Let me just show you what sort of stage we're at the moment with this refurb. So in the studio now, Eugene's managed to settle in well. Look, he's got a little dog bed here that he's going to be sleeping in during work hours. All the ceilings are in now, all the plasterboard and heaters are gone in, and at the far end we've just started to put our new bamboo wall up. We had a small bamboo wall here before, and we use it to photograph all our trees against for the website. Nice soft warm tones. So we're just rebuilding that. We're going full width on the wall. It's about 6 meters across, so we're just putting bamboo laminate flooring on that wall. And then over here amongst the building bits and bobs, we've got the cedar tree that I'm working on, and I said before I've thinned it out to about this sort of height. I've still got the top to thin out, but the lower branches, I've just had a little bit of time this morning. I've just now fully wired this foliage pad, and we put a guy wire on it, just a temporary guy wire to pull it down on this next branch up on the left hand side. So now this branch here is pulled down, I can get this one here and we can pull this one down, use the lower one as an anchor point like this. So I'm just working my way through that, getting it all tidied and organised, and we're using the new wire trolley here, and my wire underneath and all my tools on top, make it easier. So just thought I'd give you a little bit of an update. So another few days we should be back to working in here properly, and we can get some, we've got 5 or 6 videos coming up. We can just get this tidied up, and then we're ready for more filming. So we'll catch up with you in a few days time, hopefully. Thanks very much for bearing with us. Thank you.